Hi everybody, welcome to Wise Guy Wednesdays here at the Sewing Basket in Plymouth. We're sneaking behind the counter right now. We're going to do a couple things at my computer for a minute. I want to show you a few new things that are on the website, talk for a minute about Santa's workshop that's this evening, and then we're going to take a little walk around and see a couple of the new things that we got in those 24 boxes that came by UPS and FedEx the other day. So Cheryl's going to zoom in and come up to my computer for a minute.
Did you turn your mic on?
And the mic is on, so we
All
should be
right.
good. We should be good. So right now I'm at sewingbasket.biz, which is our website. Those of you who are used to using our website, we've done a few updates lately. My screen is a touch screen, so rather than using the mouse, I'm going to use my finger so you can see the general vicinity of where I'm going, even if you can't see exactly on the screen. Our daily dose page, that's the menu across the top. This is where all of our videos are. We redid this page, rearranged it so that it loads quite a bit faster. This little purple bar across the top says click here for our YouTube videos. You can see all of our videos on YouTube as well. And there are some things there that aren't on our page, a number of freebies and different things like that. So you might want to check out our YouTube channel. That is just, if you're in YouTube, just type in The Sewing Basket. That's our YouTube channel. There's a little subscribe button. I'm going to just touch this so you see what it looks like. And it'll bring up YouTube. It takes you right to our YouTube channel. And I'm in manage mode right now, but normally there's a little orange button or red button here that says subscribe. You just touch that, and that takes you, puts you on our subscription list. So anytime we post a new video, if you turn on your notifications, you'll get a little ding that tells you we've got a new video. So I'm back at our website. That daily dose page, as I scroll up, you'll see these are the last ones. This is our little commercial about what Santa's workshop is, if you're not familiar with that. This was last Friday, our little picture of the UPS guy. If you tap on these, they start the videos. The runner that Cheryl did last week, Wednesday, last Friday, what was new, and you just keep scrolling down. All of our projects are here, videos are here, and down at the bottom you'll see we kind of group together the older things. So this bar says Daily Dose April through August. So if you're looking for something older, you just tap here, and this is March, you just tap there. That allowed us to get the page to load a lot faster for you. So that's the Daily Dose page. Tonight, we're going to do Santa's workshop. Tomorrow morning, what we do on Facebook Live this evening will be posted here on our Daily Dose page, and it'll also be posted on our Santa page, so it'll be in both places. Our Santa page, there's a menu up here that says Santa. Click on that. Welcome to Santa's workshop. Tomorrow morning, it's going to have the video right here of Cheryl and I this evening. And then as you scroll down, this little commercial is going to be gone because that'll be over. This is a little notion for you guys today. Print this out right now. This is the Harlequin Table Runner. This is our Santa's Workshop pattern from 2019. That's up here and it's free. Cheryl mentioned that last week, Wednesday, in our video. It's free through today. Tonight, later this evening, when we put up our new 2020 pattern, this one will be gone. So download that free pattern now if you want it. As we move down, Dear Santa, all I want is, touch this blue bar, and that's where you can print the list. Excuse my head in your picture. This is the list of all the things we're going to talk about this evening. So if you want a list that you can kind of check off and make notes on while Cheryl and I talk, that's right here. Print the list. This next little green bar is check out what Santa's Workshop products are on our website. If you click that, it takes you right to our web store, to the Santa's Workshop page. Now comes the list part. This evening, after we finish, you're going to want to fill out your list. That list is you're going to check off the products that you want, and the other thing you're going to do is you're going to send us the addresses. Those are mailing addresses, not email addresses, of the people that you want us to send your list to. They actually get a red envelope in the mail that says, you've been a good girl this year or boy this year, and these are the things you'd like from Santa. and it also includes a discount coupon for your family members that do any purchasing of Christmas gifts from us at the Sewing Basket. So this, click on and you can fill out your list online. Those of you who are a little more old school, want to do it through a regular mailbox, that works fine too. Right here are our old school forms, the wish list, and the family address form. Print out those two things, fill them in, and either drop them here at the shop or mail them to us, and that'll get you in the wish list group, and we'll also use those to then mail the coupon to your family members. So that's how the Santa's page works. When you're at the shop page, I added a brand new category. At the very top, you always see all products. The second one down, top of the list, is Santa's Workshop. I'm going to give you a sneak peek here. These are, I'm going to flip this to the newest so you can see all the newest things that are in here. These are the things we're going to talk about in Santa's Workshop this evening, and you'll see there are 4 pages of goodies. These are things that Cheryl and I are going to go through tonight and give you some tips on why we like these items. It's not a full demo on product, but it's a talk through of why we've picked these items and why quilters really like to use them. So that's what we've got on the website. You've always got your home page, looks like this. Daily Dose is where any of our Wednesday videos are posted. Shop is the shopping channel, and Santa is where you're going to see all of these, all the video and all the information and forms for tomorrow.
Tonight.
If you're watching tonight and you want to print off that list, you can come here. It's already up right now. Go down to where you see that, excuse me, Dear Santa, All I Want Is. If you touch that, it's going to bring up the file. There's the list. Up in the upper right, you're going to see a little print button. Touch the print button, brings up your list, and you do have to hit that print button a second time depending on how your computer is set up. I hit print and out my list comes. I can close that window. So that's all there is to this evening. I want to show you one other thing. This is our Facebook group page. We've had historically the Sewing Basket Quilting Group, the Sewing Basket Embroidery Group, and last year we had the 2020 Quilt Group. We also have Rachel's Heart, which is our charity page as well. That one is staying exactly as it is, no changes. But with the 2020 group, everybody who played along with that was in that group and did all their show and share there. What that ended up doing is it kind of broke our group into 2 pieces, and we want to bring everybody back together so that we can all play together in the same place. So if you're in the 2020 group, you might have noticed a recent posting that said this page is going to be archived. You'll still be able to see all the information, but it tells you to join the Sewing Basket Quilting Group. We put a new little header up, says come play with us, the WyseGuys. Best playground around. So we're going to be playing with different things as we move through the end of the year and on to next, but it'll all be in that Sewing Basket Quilt Group. It's the same group, even though the header is changed, it's still the Sewing Basket Quilting Group. So those of you who want to follow along, see show and tell, this is the place where we'll be playing with those items. And our main Facebook page, the Sewing Basket page, and sorry, mine's in administrator mode, so it looks a little different than yours. You won't see this over on the side. When you're at our main page, right here is where we're going to come up tonight to watch us. Right now we've got a cute little commercial up there. You can make a comment there if you want to, but we'll be popping up. It's just the Sewing Basket page. It's not in our group. It's just search the Sewing Basket. We'll pop up and we'll be coming on at 6:30 tonight. So that's enough computer techie nerd stuff for you today. Now we're going to show you some new fun things. This is a little mug rug that Kathy did for us on the embroidery machine. These patterns just came in, so we're going to walk over that way and take a look. All right, so we're going to move out this way. And these things you walked through the other day. And some new things here. These are the winter mug rug. That is the embroidery pattern. This is downloadable. There's not a CD in it. but there's an activation code to do it online. And here's 3 of the 4 little mug rugs that turn out so cute. And that's by Amelie Scott, that the same lady that does the quilting, edge-to-edge quilting on your embroidery machine. We showed you some of the books the other day. We showed you a lot of new batiks. Well, we got another whole row of batiks in yesterday. So this is the rest of that line. There's a total of about 60 bolts. And Cheryl's just going to take a little slow walk past here so you can see all the prints. Most of the prints come in multiple different colors. So you'll see the same print in some different color designs. So those are all new. And the other sample that's new is the little wine runner. Those are the ones that we showed yesterday that were all the blender fabrics, the purples, the blues, the greens. Those are used to make the wine runner. And that is a paper piecing sample that Tina just finished. So it gives you a feel for what those look like. I'm not sure last week if this one was hanging here. Kathy just finished this. This is the cathedral pattern. I think I did mention it last week. Works beautifully with a strip set. And then we're just going to head into what we call the kids' room. We should call it the Brights room. And we got the entire new line of Coco by Michael Miller. Coco, we're assuming, was inspired by Coco Chanel, who always used the tweed look in her jackets. As you look at this, there's about 30 bolts, and they're multicolored. I'm going to just pull out, maybe I'll pull out this one. You can kind of see on the light. They've got multiple colors in them. It's hard to find blenders that aren't just tone on tone. These are tone on tone with an extra color. The darker gray has that same blue in there as well. So Cheryl's just going to take a little run across here and show you all the colors. And
light, medium, dark.
And each one comes in light, medium, and dark, each color. So we've got the pink, a light, a medium, dark. The coral, a light, a medium, a dark. Somebody has the light here up at the cutting table already. Purple, blue, teal, green. They are all really, really fun, nice blenders that should work great on some fun new projects. They also look really cute. We showed you, I believe Friday, that the, I'm drawing a blank on the name of the stars. Starlit.
Starlit.
Thank you. Starlit are over here. We showed you those on Friday, but they work really nice with Coco. So that's what we've got today. I know we didn't do a demo. Sometimes we do on Wednesdays, but with Santa's workshop tonight, we're still scurrying to get that finished up. We hope you join us 6:30 tonight on our Facebook, Sewing Basket Facebook page. If you can't join us tonight, check the website tomorrow on the Santa page. The video will be up. And also that Harlequin pattern you can download yet today. Tonight after the video or tomorrow morning, the 2021 quilt block will go up. Are we giving them a clue as to what it is? Cheryl's shaking her head. Nope, you gotta watch and see, or you gotta wait till tomorrow. So the new block pattern will be up tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you later tonight. Thanks. Bye-bye.